Okay, so we're going to practice modeling fractions. So to do this, what we do is we count how many boxes are shaded in. So I can see 1, 2 boxes shaded in. That's my top number in my fraction, my numerator. Then I see how many boxes there are altogether. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 altogether. The total number of boxes goes on bottom, that's my denominator. And then the last thing I have to do is just see if I can simplify it. So remember, there's 2 different ways we can do this. We can just sit here and think about what they have in common and divide it out. So I can divide 2 and 8 both by 2 because they're both even. 2 divided by 2 gives me 1. 8 divided by 2 gives me 4. Or if you are not good at that, then we can use our bobsled. So we just put our fraction in like this, 2/8. See how it's 2/8? I just kind of turn the fraction bar sideways. And then I can still divide a 2 out. 2 goes into 2 once, slash 2 goes into 8 4 times. Either way, my answer is 1/4 for this fraction. Let's go ahead and look at the second one. Can you go ahead and pause the video here? You see if you can write the fraction in simplest form and then come back and I'll do it with you. All right, so hopefully you went ahead and did this problem. So remember, for your numerator, we're gonna see how many boxes are shaded in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 altogether. Out of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boxes there are total. And then we need to simplify it, so I can divide both of these by 3. 6 divided by 3 gives me 2. 9 divided by 3 gives me 3. And my final fraction is 2/3. Okay, so here they are giving us the fraction to model, and we're going to actually draw the model. So to start off, I can see it's just a fraction. There's no whole numbers. So I'm going to start with one big box. Okay. Boxes are almost always easier than circles, so try to go with rectangles when you can. And then what I'm going to do is the denominator tells me how many pieces I'm going to cut this into. Okay, so I'm going to break my rectangle up into 5 pieces and try to make them as even as you can. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. And then the top tells me what to shade, how many pieces to shade in. So it says that I have 4 pieces, so I'm going to shade in 4 of these pieces. So that now I have modeled 4 out of those 5 pieces, which is 4/5. So remember, anytime you have the fraction, you're going to cut it into the denominator and shade in the numerator. Okay, I'm going to ask you to go ahead and do the next 2 on your paper. When you're done, go ahead and check the answer key that's posted on the document in Google Classroom.